Hello, Tim Lorline here, and in this video I am going to be teaching you about Google Task. If you don't know about Google Task, it is a tool that is similar to a grocery list or to a to-do list where you have a few things or many things that you want to complete within a day or two. So with Google Tasks, it is connected to your Gmail. It's a tool that will help you if you see email and say, oh, I need to make sure that I respond to this email, or oh, I need to make sure that I get this completed. And you can set up a to-do list. That way it's right there for you. Utilize it, check it, and then of course when you finish it, you can check it and say, I have it complete. So this is how you would actually create a task in Google Tasks. I have my email open, and on the right sidebar, you have some options. And one of those options is a blue circle with a white slash and orange dot called Task. If you open it up, you immediately can already start adding a task. Now, again, the great thing about it being connected to email or your Gmail is that if I pull up a Gmail and say, for example, it says, hey, Tim, I need you to make sure that you send me those student reports by 1:30. So all I would have to do is click Add Tasks, send student reports, and then I can put by 2:30, or sorry, by 1:30 if I want, or I can click on Edit Details, add our date or time. So today's the 11th. Set a time 1:30. This will be PM. And then I will click OK. Once I have finished this and want to add it to my task, I click the left arrow, and there you go. And this actually already puts it on your Google Calendar also. So if I were to go to my Google Calendar, I can see already that it has been added to my tasks and added to my calendar. Going back to the screen, as you can see, when I complete this task, let's say I just completed and sent it off to the person who needed it, all I have to do is go to this arrow and click as Mark as complete. Now, of course, you can have multiple task lists. Okay, maybe you want to create a new list for personal things to get done for my own personal life. You can also create a new list for school. Maybe you have a team that you're responsible for. Of course, you can then just go to these different ones and then add tasks accordingly. I hope this video helps out, and I hope it helps you organize your day-to-day activities.